Hey guys, it's Ivory. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing another IPSY bag reveal slash try on. This was the look that I was able to create with all my products that I was given. Not all of these products are from my IPSY bag because I didn't get a full face, but everything that I did get, I did try on. So this was what I was able to make from it. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I post new videos every Wednesday and Sundays and post occasional bonus videos throughout the week. So if you'd like to know what's in my IPSY bag, then please keep on watching. So the bag looks like this for this month. It is black and has these really cute lashes and has lots of gold elements to it. The zipper is gold and down here. And inside it is like this fuchsia pink. This is actually like my favorite bag that I've gotten thus far. I think it's super cute. So that is this month's bag. So the first product I got were these face masks. They are from BRTC. This one is vitamin C and this one is vitamin F. These are a Korean brand. In the interest of saving time, I actually went ahead beforehand and put on a mask. I used this one, the vitamin C one. This is hypoallergenic, contains vitamin C to brighten skin and encourage clear complexion. The instructions are to just have a clean face, wash your face, put it on, leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes, and then after you take it off, take the excess of the serum and just pat it into your skin. The sheet looks like this. This one in particular did smell like oranges, like citrusy, because it has vitamin C in it. Someone in my last IPSY bag told me when I use face masks to leave it on for more than they recommend. So instead of 10 to 20, I actually left this on for 40 minutes and it was supposed to help like hydrate the skin and make it extra plump. And I did that today and I do feel a difference. Like it's very supple. I mean, I can't say that it like made my skin less dull. It's not gonna instantly remove my acne, so I can't say that much, but it does feel very healthy and hydrated. So yeah, I actually really like those masks, but I'm not gonna sit here and tell you like they are life-changing and that my skin is like 1000% better with them in my life. That wouldn't be fair for me to say. So all I will say is I like the product and I'm just gonna continue to keep using it. The next product I have is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I have the Photo Finish one, like the full size of that one. So I was really excited to get this one. Look how cute it is. This is a primer and moisturizer in one and it contains hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. I don't know what that is, but if it's important to you, there you go. I'm just gonna shake it up just in case I need to and just add one pump. I usually add a moisturizer before I put on my makeup, but I had the face mask today, so I did not. The texture is not very silicone-y. It's kind of more liquidy. Okay, so it's on. I don't know how I feel about it because I like primers that either like make me matte or blur out my pores, and I don't feel like it did any of that. It kind of just felt like moisturizer. This is probably better for people with combination or drier skin that need a moisturizer in their primers, but I don't really need it, so I'll continue to use it, but as a first impression, it doesn't seem like it's something that's for my skin type. Okay, I didn't get any more face products, so I'm just gonna do that quickly off of camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so my brows and my base and part of my eyes are done. I left the lid empty because I did get a new eyeshadow that I wanted to pop on. For my eyeshadow, I used the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Neutrals palette. I think I use this in like every other tutorial, so I don't think it's a surprise that I'm using it. I'm sorry, I just really love that palette. So if you have a problem with me using the same thing over and over again, I suggest you speak to a loved one about these problems you're experiencing. Okay, for my eyes, I did get a single shadow by WINKY Luxe. This is in the shade Ursula, so it comes like this. I love this color packaging. And this is the shade that I get. Definitely Little Mermaid vibes right here. So I'm going in with my e.l.f. smudge brush and apply this to my lid. I love the name too, Ursula. When I was a kid in first grade, I remember my dad got me a puzzle and it was Ariel. And I put it together and it was like this life-size version of Ariel as a mermaid. And I loved it so much that I taped it together and I stuck it on my wall. So it was kind of like a poster. I also had a Sebastian stuffed animal, and I would feed him food in his mouth. You know, I was a kid, so I didn't use imagination. I used real food. So shortly after doing that, his mouth was like super disgusting and crusty. I love rewatching Disney movies. They're like one of my favorite things to do. I don't care if I know every word. I love rewatching them. Okay, so that is one layer of the shadow, just using a dry brush. I'm gonna go ahead and actually swatch it on my finger and add an extra layer just to get extra pigmentation and make it like extra vibrant. I've been doing this a lot with all my like shimmery shadows, and it's really made them just really pop more. Okay, that's super pretty. I'm actually gonna go in with another brush and go into my BH Cosmetics palette and just re-intensify this outer V just to really tie this together because I want to wear this all day. So I applied mascara off of camera so that we could just move along with the video and just get on to just the products. So the next item I have is the 110 Luxie brush. This is like the Harley collection, which is why it has like red bristles. It says good night on the handle and a lot of like her character colors, which I think is really cool. It has a round circular tip. I don't want to touch this because as pretty as this is, and I'm sure the quality is great, I don't think I can see myself using it. I have a lot of brushes and this is actually too big for my eyes. I read on the IPSY website that people can use this to like dot their concealer and blend it out, but I'm used to using a beauty sponge, so I'm gonna stick with that. So I'm actually not gonna touch this, and I'm gonna put this in a giveaway that I am currently like trying to collect a bunch of things to give to you guys. So this will be part of the giveaway. And the last product I have is the MANNA Liplocked Priming Lip Wand. This is in the shade Belle. It is basically a lip liner slash lipstick all in one. I don't think this is really gonna go with my lip color, but here we go. Very easy to use and it glides on very easily. So when I went over it a couple times, it did turn into this really pretty pinkish fuchsia color. It's a little hard to tell, but there are like little glitters, like pink and purple glitters, but it doesn't feel like gritty on the lips when I like rub them together. This was really easy to use. I think it's very pigmented. I don't think this is like a good color for me per se. Not that it doesn't look flattering on me, I just don't see myself using it. It does transfer, so you're gonna have to keep this in your purse and touch up throughout the day. Okay, that is all my products. Let's do a quick overview. I think these masks were pretty great. I only tried this one, but it smelled nice. My skin felt great afterwards. I don't know if it does everything that it's supposed to do, but it didn't like make my skin any worse. So if you're looking for a good face mask, then try and check them out. The primer was just okay. I mean, my makeup glided on just fine. There were no complications, but I feel like this is targeted more towards like dry slash combo skin, and I have quite oily skin. So if I was looking for something to hydrate me, I guess this would be nice, but those are not things I look for in a primer. So I guess it does what it's supposed to, but it's just not a product that I want. The WINKY Luxe eyeshadow I really like. I think it's creamy and buttery. I don't know about you, but I feel like it is a little darker in the pan than it is on my lid. And I built it up quite a bit. I used, you saw the dry brush, and then I used my finger and applied it over. So it's like 2-ish layers, and I still feel like it's not as dark. But that's not to say that it didn't blend easily, because it did. I think it is a pretty color and definitely worth looking into if you want to try out some of their products. The brush, like I said, seems nice, but I'm gonna give this away, so no review on this. And the last thing was the MANNA lip color. This is a great product. The color itself is like okay for me. That this is like a personal opinion and preference, so I think it's okay. Definitely like a more summery type of vibe, but it glided on. It was pigmented right away, very creamy. It's not patchy whatsoever. It does transfer, and it's very easy to use. So yeah, that is all the products that I get in my IPSY bag. If you got one too, I'd love to know what you got so we can compare. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and comment down below what other types of videos you'd like to see from me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!